Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
March. March means act of marching. For example, the relieving force was more than a day's march away. The relieving force was more than a day's march away. Synonyms: hike, trek, tramp.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Funeral marches abound in Mahler, and they don't always mean literal death. Now, repeat after me. Funeral marches abound in Mahler, and they don't always mean literal death. The second exemplar. The plague in Wales and the marches were as pitiless as elsewhere. Now, repeat after me. The plague in Wales and the marches were as pitiless as elsewhere. The third exemplar. My short program music is a medley of marches by John Philip Sousa. Now, repeat after me. My short program music is a medley of marches by John Philip Sousa.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The only planet not named after a god is our own, Earth. The others are, in order from the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.